Markets are opening in 4 seconds. And I want to be ready to take a trade. On my MFFU account. On the 1 minute chart. We opened higher. I have to cover. I'm sure I clicked buy the bid. Ah, there we go. Just get the time. The register. Okay, I'll take that. Up 40. Well, it's not really up 42. It's up 31. Let's see what we can pull out of the markets as quick as possible before the volatility dies. We're on 12 points right now. That has the first candle, so are we going to fill this gap? 21,300 is 40 points away. There's potential. Kind of does look like we stalled out, eh? How did we close off the day? Oh, we closed off the day quite strong, actually, from 240. So let's take a quick look, see how much of this dump we recovered. Went right up to the 50% mark. And what about this one here? What about this pullback? Pretty much the 50% mark. Interesting. I don't want to just be able to catch $31, but I don't want to just take a trade for no reason. But it does look like we've stalled out. Okay, 73. Getting there. If I can get 150 in the first few minutes with the volatility, I'll be happy. Maybe I should have left a piece. That might have been a mistake. I didn't leave a piece. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get back in for one now. Perfect. And I will have a 14-point stop on this. And we'll see if I can get another 10 points. 10 points will get me to about $100. 22, I got to cover at 12. Buy limit. Let's see if we can. So it's 12 points. Well, not really. 11 points for 14 points. Ah, if only we knew the future. If I knew it was going to hit, I could full port it. I would have loved to have a 2-lot. Let's go, let's go. I don't want to... Ah, come on. Every time it does that, it goes. That's guaranteed going to go in now in red. Every time it does that to me. Jesus Christ, it's like it knows where my orders are. Another delayed order. I clicked buy bid. Look how long it's there. It goes. That was a delayed order. Okay, all winners. My evening is done. I'm going. No, I'm joking. Now, what do? Let's compress the 1 minute chart so we know what we're looking at. There's a lot of lines that seem to be in the way of everything that aren't going to be in the way later. What we have is the previous day's high, previous day's close, of course, on Monday, which is today, the 5 o'clock. The entire session's high that ended at 5 o'clock, the entire session's low that ended at 5 o'clock, and the close. The problem with Ninja is they connect the lines. They don't just start a new line, so you get these interfering lines that are falling down, get in the way. Oh, look at that, eh? I could have had a long trade. Tomorrow I hope I'm less sick, because I'm tired of being sick. I think it started last week, Thursday maybe. Let's see what the Hakinashis are doing. No, we still have the volatility from the first couple of candles. I need 1, 2, 3. I need 3 more minutes to pass before I can even consider looking at those. Okay, my next trade will probably be a long. Not probably, it'll be a, well, yeah, probably will be a long. Let's take a look at the levels actually. We drew in, wow, it just completely obliterated the trend line. Don't need that anymore. I kind of gave that one a little bit of a nudge. Gotta make sure it's placed properly. Yeah, it looks good. It's good enough. This trend line that we bounced off of, it got tapped into 3 times in the early and mid month of January, and now we tapped into it again. And it's reminding me exactly of when we faded back down into this range over here and we consolidated for quite a while, and then we went back up to the upper range. So I'm wondering if that's something we're going to see over here. That was this is a 30-minute chart here, so you're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is almost 4.5 hours that we played in that zone, and now it held. Price held that range. Now we're heading higher. 15 minutes not going to tell me anything. 5's not going to tell me anything now. So I'm looking for a long. And the markets are showing strength, so I think I'll just take a little one lot. A stab at a one lot. I'll add at 43. I hope I don't have to. I'd rather not, because then it means I just bought the high. Yeah, maybe I won't add. Maybe this is a weak trade. Maybe I should have just bought at 43. I'm regretting this trade. Can I get my money back? Can I get a refund? I have buyer's remorse. Who told me to go long? I want my money back. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. Well, I said I would add at 43. Hello, woodchip. Hey there, not I, Rabbi. I don't get it. Let's see if I can wiggle my way out of this trade. I do have a stop, and it is at 36, which is not far away, and it's going to take quite a chunk of my money. I didn't tell you to add or trade. No, you didn't. No one did. I did it all on my own. It gave me hope there. It gave me hope for a split second. Do it again. Don't stop me out. Come on. That's it. I'm done. Oh well. I worked so hard for that $80. Now I'm going to do something stupid. I'm going to go short when I shouldn't be. Oh, look at that. Close. I got it back. Thank you. Whoever that was. Whoever that was, somewhere in the world. And now I get short. 29, 31, 2, 12-point stop. Oh, looky that. Okay, you know what? I'm being a little disorganized. I have to get organized. I'm trading impulsively. I will tell you that for sure. I am trading impulsively. Because I should be long right now. Buy bid. Oh, you stupid. How long it took to get there. I was out. The platform's cheating. Come on, take me out. I think I have to clear my cache because I'm getting some pretty funky delays here from when I click. Yeah, everything is taking a little while longer than it should. So the first thing I'm going to do is check. No, it's nothing spectacular, nothing to cause that. Second thing I'll do, guys, I'm sorry, but I have to close down. I'm not closing. No, I'm back. I didn't go anywhere. I'm not closing down the stream. Hello, there we go. I am just darkening my screen because I got to do something and I don't want it up on. on stream. Give me a second. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm counting slower. Cleared my cache. Don't worry, I'm still here. I haven't gone anywhere. Logging back into Ninja. And I can bring it back up for you guys. There we go. Did you miss me? I was lost in the darkness. Let's open up. See if that solved the problem. Gold is at 27.42. Bitcoin, I can't tell you what it's at because I got rid of it. It's not on my charts anymore. I needed the space for other stuff. Okay, some of my charts loaded, but some of them aren't. Current volume is 12,000 contracts at 617. That's not bad. And the average range of the 1 minute candles at 617 is 14 points. That's impressive. Well, I'm having the exact same problem Alex had this morning. That's very odd. It says my charts are just loading. Okay, we wait, we watch. In the meantime, oh, there we go, one loaded. Two loaded. Let's take a quick look at the Heiken SE. My bias is switched to short. And to take a trade on the Heiken SE charts, I would need to retrace up into the upper line of the price channel. That's at 21,336 right now. That's quite a ways away. But I do have an opportunity to take a short on another chart, which I might just do. Oh, interesting. I'm curious. I want to try this trade. That's a 48 by 72. 48 stop loss, 72 ticks. Take profit. So not a 2 to 1, but about a 1.6 to 1. Let's see what I get out of this. And I'm going to let it ride. I hope I'm not going to interfere. No, I shouldn't interfere with this one. It looks like it's set pretty perfectly. Actually, I think my stop is going to come down to 21,325 once the bar closes. I took this trade off this chart over here. So when I got a close, above the midline. I went short, and my stop is a close above the upper line. But this upper line is going to move down. I'm pretty sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is. Cool. So I can set my stop over there. Now I'm sure it's like a 2 to 1. 18 to 25. That's 7, and I'm going for 18 points. It's more than a 2 to 1. It's a 2.5 to 1. I like this trade even more. Win or lose, I like this trade. Because everything is telling me short. Hey, wow, that's amazing. Look, we came back to touch the previous day's close. The 5 o'clock. Ah, target failed so quickly. Look at that. How much more can you ask for? I feel so smart. Wow, now I feel stupid. I could have gotten so much more out of it. Let's go again. If this bar closes, I have to get out, but I'm hoping it doesn't. Holy shit, I took the wrong size. That worked out for me. I think I entered it on the wrong chart. Well, 130 with errors. Wow, that was a nice move. Anybody else catch that? He's so quiet. Wow, that was like a 60-point move, and I only caught 72 ticks. What is that, 15 points? Did I say 18 points? 18 points is good. I won't complain about an 18-point winner. Right now in the chart I'm watching, I could potentially have a long given the fact that we're under the midline, but haven't closed below the lower line. But everything else is telling me stay short, have a short bias, so that ranks this as a C, B minus, or a C trade, so I'm not going to take it. Going dark again for a half a second, guys. Bear with me. Less dark than last time, but still a little dark. I am back. Bring back the camera. Get rid of the blue thing. I'm like a volatility magician. Wow, what I can do with volatility, it's amazing. It's too bad we don't have volatility all the time. I had a $2,000 day in the end. I got $1,500 on my Apex account, $300 on the Counter-Strike bot, and MFFU was up 144. And I have to say, it was pretty easy trading. I don't know if you guys saw, watched, whatever. Nutty Bar was the guest of honor on Patrick Whelan's channel. Erratic? I don't see it as erratic. Giving me some pretty, it's a little whipsaw-y-ish. Whipsaw-y-ish. Is that a word? Well, if it isn't, I just made it up. It's now a word. But the follow-through, when it changes direction, is there. So I mean, I don't mind if it flips directions 5, 6, 7 times. As long as it follows through for 40, 50 points each time. Works for me. Okay, let me try one more of these. No, gotta get out already. That's it. That's how fast that one was. Let's put it back to the 1 minute chart. I don't think too many people want to follow the wrinkle bars. Anybody wants to follow the wrinkle bars, raise your hand. I'm going to take a quick little short here. Oh my god, oh, 3 lot again by accident. No, don't make me lose money on a 3 lot by accident. Last time I made money. I'm short. Yeah, I'm short too. But I didn't want to do a 3 lot. I only wanted to be in for a 1 lot because I'm kind of chasing here. And I don't mind chasing for a 1 lot. What the hell? My order size is just wrong everywhere. Wow. Gotta pay attention. A little bit closer. So yeah, I was saying Nutty Bar was on 1 mini. No, 3 minis tomorrow, hopefully. Nah, I'm joking. I'm gonna get build up to 3 minis though by Friday on my Apex account. That's my go big or go home account. Yeah, Nutty Bar was on Patrick Whelan's stream today. He looked a little shy. Like he was a little nervous to be there. I don't see why. He's known. He's not maybe known as much as Patrick Whelan, but he's known. I wrote in the do it on Tuesday or Wednesday, but not at open. Oh, but it's got the most volatility at open. Can get me the most into trouble, but... Oh yeah, you did. That's a trade. That's a trade. I forgot how much this is supposed to go for this trade. I gotta go check my strategies. This is tracker only, retrace, counter strike, no. And the take profit is 15 points. 15 points, yeah, but the volatility's there for that. Yeah, I'll take 15 points on this. 62, that's 47. Okay, let's dump the 47. Good enough, I put it at 48. Give me a dump like I got it before. Let's go, 150. Close. Why are you closing early, Mike? Because I'm doing better than I did yesterday. Yesterday I was at 144 and I was happy. You know, 150 in the evening session is phenomenal. Even that passes a 50K account in 20 trading days. That's the rate you guys should be trading at. So you don't put your account at risk. And if you get there in 20 days and you have a bunch of them, you have a little orchard of accounts. That's the way to get the big payouts. I kind of screwed up for a while there. I had 14 PA accounts. And then I made a mistake with my trade copier and I lost 6 of them in one shot. That was discouraging. But I'll get back up there. Well, let's see if we can trade back into the 5 o'clock close at around 21,300, and then I'd be looking to short. I don't know if anybody's on board with me with that, but that is what I'm looking to do. I could potentially get in earlier though. I would rather though see it go higher. ICT dipped into Brian Strong. Wow, everyone was dipping into everybody's streams. Maybe that's what I gotta do. I gotta put out invites for people to come into my stream. Send them a private message. I don't want to spam their comment section. Oh. I'll take this short. Hope it pans out for me. This is a counter-strike trade. Counter-strike's not running because I run it during regular market hours, but I'll take a manual entry. Don't make me look stupid. And it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out, but it's so close to stopping me out. You see, that's so close to stopping me out. I wanted to add to my short because the risk on that second piece is like tiny. It is 4 points, and I have my finger on the close button, which is we're almost there. Come on, sell off, don't close. Don't close that bar. You don't see what I'm looking at. I gotta get out. Okay, back down to 122. That was fun though. It was right after a couple of people were talking trash about him. Really? I get out and you dump? Okay, that's not nice. Now markets, you owe me one. Who was talking trash about him? Not on this channel. At least I don't think so. We were talking about it, maybe. That really stank. What can you do? I went short. Okay, yeah, short was the right direction to go. Right now I have a long, but again, I can't take it. I got too many things telling me that I should be short now. Let's get above VWAP and above 5 o'clock close at 21,305, and I could comfortably entertain longs. Look at the volatility, 19.63. 19 points average range on the 1 minute candles at the 6 o'clock session. How beautiful is that? How many contracts have traded? Probably 40,000 already. Oh, only 30,000. Strange. It's worth rewatching. Someone in Brian's chat. Oh, okay, it's worth rewatching. I'm long 79. I don't know if I can today. One, I'm sick. I still have a sinus headache. Yeah, Advil cold and sinus is helping, but not that much. Not as much as I would hope. And I want to do a daily video recap of today's. Now they're trading, so that's going to take all my time. Yeah, I need my futures floor warriors to go onto other people's channels and tell them to, hey, Aslan, it's been a while. I was just saying I need my futures floor warriors to go into other channels and tell them to invite me onto their stream so I can start getting some traction here. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't know how much longer I can continue. I'm joking, I like it. But it is discouraging. Wow. Yeah, YouTube just doesn't give you any organic traffic at all. You really got to work for your traffic in YouTube. Huh. So I got to start creating videos. Today's first video will be on a recap of today's trading, as I said. I got up to, I think, 2,000, 1,500 about in my, well, we can see what it is. Hold on, can we see? Let's see. I think I can. No, I don't have the net liquidation over here. You can see it over here. My Apex account started today at 300 and now it's at 3,015. Yeah, so I got 1,500 in my Apex account, which my target was 1,000. Closed down the stream at 600, so I made an extra 900 on that. The volatility was great today, as it is right now. MFFU is up to 66. That's a new account just started. Hold on, this is an important call, and I do have to take it. Do a video on why fair value gaps are deceiving. Deceiving in what way? You should reply, that's for me to figure out. No, I just don't know what you mean by deceiving. Maybe you mean that people rely on them too much for entering into trades, and you need to use them only when you have context or at a significant level. Like, do you mean more how to use them properly? Or do you mean that people don't know how to even figure out what a fair value gap is, and they're being deceived by the candles? I don't want to do too much on ICT though, or fair value gaps, because I don't know too much about it. And I'd probably come off as someone who doesn't know too much about it. I do like the trade there, the return to data high trade. When high impact news comes out, I could do a video on that type of setup. Wow, look at this move back up to VWAP. Oh, you guys are on the wrong chart. I'm sorry. There we go. 1 minute. Back up to VWAP. Back up to 5 o'clock close. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, my next setup will be on the long side. I didn't get anything bias flipped to short, but I didn't get a setup. It just went down, down, and down, and then up, up, and up. I need a retrace. And then a continuation. I got the retrace, but the retrace turned into a bias flip. So now I need a retrace. Now I need a pullback, and then a continuation. 13 points average range on the 1 minute candles. That's still excellent for trading. There is no reason for me to leave. I need some Dristan. Aslan, are you still there? Isn't it 7 hours ahead of our time? It's 2 in the morning where you are? It's 2 in the morning and you're opening up your computer and getting in front of the screens for the slowest session of the NQ? Now that's someone who likes to trade. Okay, go down a little bit more and I could get a long setup. Yes, and I'm here trying to make some money. We're all trying to make some money. Make the money, but it's a slow, usually the evening session's a slow session. It's not the time to try to make money. 9:30. Yes, it is. 9:30. What time is that then? That's 4:30 for you in the afternoon when we get the open. I'm going to get a trade now on Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike took money from me. Maybe it'll give some money back. Do I take a long right here, right under the 5 o'clock close? Or am I asking for trouble? Say yay for yes and nay for no. I'll put long on 292. Yeah. See, at least that point. If you run up to 302 and then it stalls out, you don't get hurt. But I'm a glutton for punishment. So I'm going to try a long right at VWAP and right at the 5 o'clock close, and I'm going to watch it trade higher. It's going to break through. Actually, I was going to say the opposite, but then I said, you know what? I'm not going to be negative. I'm going to be positive on this trade. No, I was being positive. Don't punish me. Where's my stop on this? Ouch, it's low, I think. Hold on. No, not that bad. 79, 80, 80. Oh my God, it's 20 points. That's a lot. It might come up though some. Yeah, I'm not going to use an 80-point stop, 20-point stop. I am going to stop out at 87 about. That's better, 13 points. Well, I had a reason not to take this trade, and they always say if you have a reason not to take the trade, don't take the trade. Yeah, we're all in, it seems. But I'm going to get out. I will let you guys make the money without me. Why am I going to get out? There's just too many things that are telling me I shouldn't be taking a long here. Let it clear 310, 21,310. If we can, price can get over 21,310 and hold, I'd be much more comfortable taking longs. Right now we got the weight on our shoulders of the 5 o'clock close in VWAP. That doesn't mean anything. I mean, it could just push right through it. Oftentimes it does. But it's just an extra strike against the trade. Uh, 91. Volatility is still excellent. If anybody's new in the channel, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Tell your brothers and your sisters. It couldn't go a little bit lower. 87. I want to see 87. Just down to here. Yeah, 85, 87. Kind of like almost fill this fair value gap. Why aren't my fair value gap markers on? There we go. Just fill this here. Wow, that's the second time something made this weird noise and I don't know what it is. It's almost like there's a toy near me. I don't know if you guys picked up on that. Doo-doo-doo. But there's no device that should be doing that. There's my laptop, but my laptop wouldn't do that. Oh, we're coming back down to 87 again. Sorry. Erroneous mouse click. This is going to help me concentrate. I'm changing the music. I hope it works. Let's see. There we go. A little livelier for the evening session so we don't fall asleep. Wow, look at those moves, man. That's impressive. 606, we're at 21,350. 15 minutes later, we're at 250, 100 points down. 3 minutes later, we're at 315, 65 point retrace. Then we get a run down, right, another 65 points, and now another 65 points up. So 100 points down, 65 points up, 65 points down, 65 points up. Oh my god, and I'm up 115? What am I doing wrong? I didn't get my entry over here. So that's too bad. You guys are still, thank you, now I can go sleep. Good man, Aslan. You got your 200. Well, the markets are showing a desire to go higher without me, so I'm gonna chase with a one lot. And you all can tell me how stupid that is after. What, Chip? You should be telling me. You should be telling me, Mike, that's not a setup. You just admitted you chased. You FOMO'd in. Get out of the trade. Yes, it was. I almost had 5 points. 25. 25. Give me 30. Give me 30. I don't want 3 points. I want 5 minimum. Come on, give it a little. There we go. That's exactly 30. Out. 5 points. Very good. I'm happy with 5 points because I chased. I shouldn't have been in that trade. You too have to restart your computer. Everybody's having computer problems today. That's crazy. Everybody. Alex had to reboot. I had to reboot. Ninja. David was having lagging issues. You have to restart. Well, it's hard for me to get a trade this kind of price action. Long, smooth moves. No 15-point pullbacks. I need 15 points. Oh, Lord. Do I want to enter here at 22 or lower with a 7-point stop? Well, we're not at 22 yet, so I have time to think about it. I don't think so. I think I'll just wait for a proper trade. I'm ahead. Everything I add to the account is bonus. Now we're going to see volatility fall very fast on the 1-minute candles. I got a range of 9.57, but when this one closes, it's going to be less 8.56. It's going to go down under 7 very quickly now. I think that's it. I think the party's over for tonight. Waiting to go long. Hoping to see some type of retrace. I could take a long at 22. I might just do that. Just for a small piece. A morsel, a taster. 22, 21. There you go, 21 bid. So I'm filled at 21.50. My stop is at 15. So about a 6-point stop. Let's see if I can get 7 points on this. I think think I was at my high water mark was 150 today on the my funded futures account for the evening. That was good. I should have taken it. No, I'm not willing anymore to take a position size, anything with meaning. Oh, I'll take that. I'll take that. Thank you very much. It's a little pop. Another tiny scalp. Once again, let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback, and I'll hop back in again. Actually, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a pullback to the 21,300 level, or the 5 o'clock close, and the VWAP is sitting at. That would be a good place to enter a long trade. If you can get price to start rounding up, you set your stop right under the low, you can actually frame a really good trade with a low risk. Join in on our stream. Every morning I start at 9:15, but I trade the open quite actively at 9:30. And when I mean 9:30, like by 9:30 and 20 seconds, I'm usually into my second trade already. I'm good at trading volatility. Today I had a $2,000 day. Stopped the stream, I was up 1,500. But I continued off stream a little bit after. I mean, I took a break, I had lunch. Then I came back. Made another 500. And the 138.80 that you see now, I made most of that on the open, the first couple of minutes. I think I was up $80 already on that, just trading 2 lots, 3 lots micros. That's my specialty, fast markets. Volatility picked up a bit. Went from 8.59 to 9 points on the range at 1 minute candles. Still very good for the evening session. The evening session for me, when we get below 5, is kind of like, maybe you can still take a trade, but you probably shouldn't. And if it gets under 3, it's like, okay, close down, come back. The difference with the day session or the morning session under 10 is maybe you shouldn't take a trade, and if it gets under 7, it's like, stop trading. Under 7 points average range in the morning session is very low volatility. I actually think we're going to go up again, 9.09. I think we go to 9.79. Boom, 10.53. Oh wow, look at that. I'll take a piece here. I have a very tight stop on this one. 7 points. I would like this to be my last trade. If we get up to 28, I'll add. So I'll add onto this position when I'm 10 points in the money. We're almost there, 26, 25, getting there. Oh, so close. There we go, filled. I added, now let's see it go up 12 points from here, so to 39. I'll put in my sell limit, fix the quantity. And if this hits, I'm done for the day. Well, I mean, I'm done for the evening. $29.36. Yeah, you should be able to give me 36. Come on, this will make me a good evening. It'll be an excellent evening session for trading small size micros. If my profit target can hit, I'll have almost $200. I want to end at least over 150 before I go. I took a piece off on that little pop there. Wow, my nose is blocked. Okay, take the hands off the mouse. We sit, we watch, we wait. What the market does, we can't control. We can only control what we do. A little vodka and orange juice in my water bottle. Will the markets pay me? Well, I guess the worst case scenario is I get stopped out at about one. How many points? About 10 points under here, so at 15. 12 points, $24. I'll end up about 130 on the day if I get stopped out. I don't put in the stop myself, I just watch it, and I'll either bail with a limit order or market order. And it looks like you shitty market's gonna stop me out, huh? Long, yeah, and I'm getting stopped out. And it's just gonna reverse on me. Goodbye, Charlie, on that trade. That was close. I don't know what's going on, but the sizing is like all over the board lately. Wow, I really thought I was going to hit my profit target on that. I'm very surprised I got stopped out. I guess that's the sign of a good trade. If you're surprised you got stopped out. Maybe I'll stick around for one more. Anybody want me to stick around for one more trade? It's going to be a long, most likely. Like if we can get up to 29, I'll go long. Target the highs. Hello? I think my cat was knocking on the walls. Probably playing in the kitty litter. Kicking his poop out onto the floor, giving me extra work. So what am I looking at to go long? 14 plus 8, 22. At 22, I can go long. We got to trade up to 22, 322. Wow, but we do. What do we have? We have, I got to take a one lot here. I can't not. Heiken SG, let's pull up these charts. The Heiken SG, well, we just traded down into the 5 o'clock close, the dash black line, and into VWAP. And the Heiken SGs on the 15-second gave me a bullish candle. So I took that trade. I got in a little bit late. Should have gotten in over here, and my stop would have been like 4 points. Sell, sell, meow, meow, yeah. I want to get over 150. I'm over 150. I'm not going to ask for too much. 150 is good for me. Come on, take me out, you. Shut up. Oh, they're making me work for my 150 today. And I already had it. I'm just working to get it back. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's so funny. I didn't realize the music wasn't the same on all the channels. Or all the scenes that I have. Okay, well, I'll add to this trade if I get another bullish candle on the Heiken SG. It's not a tall requirement. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like we're going to get it. I'm going to add. If possible. If they fill me. Remember what it is with Heiken SG, eh? It either goes fast or it doesn't go at all. And you shouldn't see a color change. So if it goes to black, that's not a good sign. It should pop. We're watching closely. Let's go. Let's break the high of the previous candles. The last two. Nah, no. No, no, no. Okay, I get out of my ad. It's not a good trade anymore. Kitty Cat was right. Sell, sell. I'm not even going to end with 130. Oh my God, 116. Now I almost have to stick around and try to get back to 150. That's the wrong attitude. Well, but there was an example. Like I said, either it goes or it doesn't go. That's why I like him. Like, let me get up this cursor over here. The first entry was at 308 with your stop at 303. So your stop is 5 points away. Well, when you can set a trade with a 5-point stop in NQ, you're laughing. Well, both counter strikes, version 1 and version 2, are short. Counter-Strike version 1 killed it today. It traded completely on its own, and it put $300 and something in my Bulenox account. Counter-Strike version 2, which is... oh, what do I do here? Just a variation. I don't really know what it did because I also manually traded on the same account, so I can't claim it did anything. I have to run it on market replay and see. My nose is blocked. I currently have mixed signals. I got some charts telling me I should be thinking short, and I got some charts telling me I should be thinking long. However, if we look at the 1 minute chart, we might be inverting this fair value gap here. No, got rejected. Now we have to wait a whole nother candle and see. On the 15-second chart, we traded below the previous close. The 5 o'clock close, we traded back above it. And it looks like we're getting below it again. Let's have fun with trend lines. Let's see if we can get something in here. Well, that's a good enough line for me. I always believe trend lines are subjective. And had I seen that, we broke the trend line. We retraced into the previous close. The 5 o'clock close in VWAP. That's a trade long. And I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and take a 2-lot. If we can get up to 15, I will add a 2-lot. And I will have my biggest position of the evening. So let's push this up to 15. Yeah, I like trend line breaks and then a retrace into the trend line. I think they're very effective. I'm going to create a video of that drawn ascending triangle. Nah, hold on. I got to get into another piece here. This is the trade. Let's go. Let's see some momentum now. It'll take me out. I have full confidence it'll take me out. I hate adding to positions, so never. It raises your average price. Where are you going? The hospital. Hold on, I didn't hear you. Where? Really? No, I heard. I asked Mom if I should come. She hung up on me. Well, I'm sick, though. I don't want to make her sick.
You don't need to come. Just don't keep making fun of me.
Bye. Let me know, eh? Sorry about that, guys. I think I have to cut it short. We got this little... You're short, really? We got this little wedge here, which I think we're going to break to the upside. Wow, every time I put in a limit order to sell, it's like it scares it away. One got filled. I'm not even in the market. This is an eval. I guess I just know the right levels. Come on, take me out. I gotta go. I'm having a family crisis here. You're joking. You're joking. You're just not letting me get to 150, eh? Well, that's... I don't know. I'm going to stay committed to this trade. My stop is going to be at 01. Still 9 points away. No dice. It is what it is. I tried. There's always tomorrow, and I'm still green. Any way you slice it. Okay, that's it for me. Okay, guys, unfortunately, there's something going on over here, so I got to go again. I would appreciate it if anybody's new to subscribe. And I will be back streaming tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. I will be trading actively on the open at 9:30. So I hope to see you guys there, and I got to go. Thanks for showing up. Woodchip, as always, thanks for being here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.